going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Mahalo for joining. Quick little video today for you folks. I'm gonna open and review two of the newer premium collections from Journey Together. So first up, we got the Iono's Bellibolt premium collection, and then we got the Lillie's premium tournament collection.
Super kawaii.
You know, hype on these is a little hard to get. I actually got the Lillie's off of Pokémon Center when it dropped, thanks to Twitter or X alerts. Iono's, I want to say I got on Target or something maybe when it dropped, but both at pretty much retail. So I mean at retail, so that's nice. Don't mind opening it. Got the nice promo cards in here. But yeah, just do a little quick review on it, see what it's about, and we'll rip some packs. Hopefully get lucky and hit something. Let's start with the Iono's first. Yep, so Iono's Bellibolt EX Premium Collection. Comes with two promo cards. The Bellibolt and the Tadbulb. You have a acrylic standee sheet. Play with this after. I'm pretty sure it's just a plastic acrylic thing you can make the figure stand up on. Got a sticker and 6 booster packs. Looks like 2 Journey Together and the rest is older stuff. Oh, there's a sticker and the acrylic stand up. Kind of cool. But yeah, let's open this up, check it out. You know, the state of Pokemon right now is going crazy. Everybody's buying stuff, you know, scalping them. This box was up kind of expensive when it first dropped. Thank God a lot of the retailers restocked or whatever and made it available for more people to open and enjoy. Here are the 2 promos. Nice promos. The promos are different than what you can pull in the set, so that makes it nice, right? I want to say you only can get these from the promo, so that's cool. Nice Bellibolt. And then Tadbulb. Here's the acrylic standee set. Oh, it's a backdrop, so you kind of make it look nice, like on the back of the box. Have a background to it, like that. Kind of cute. Give this to one of my nieces or something. And then you got the post photo sticker. Got the same one in the ZCN box. Same style, I should say. And then you got the 6 boosters. Oh, here's a code for anybody who wants it. So you got 1 Journey Together, Twilight Masquerade, Obsidian Flames, 2nd Journey Together, Surging Sparks, and a Paradox Rift. So nice, we'll go through these and rip these in a bit. So yeah, not much to this collection besides that. Pretty cool, you know, something to enjoy. Worth the retail price, sure, yeah, it is. The promo alone is nice. Then you get these 6 packs, right? So you get chances to boost up with that. So I mean, it's cool. Some of these prices they're trying to sell it for after though is crazy, so I don't know about that. But let's start off with some Twilight Masquerade. Sunflora, nice Sunflora. It's an awesome pool. It's a really nice card. Kind of matches the cute team we have going today. Obsidian Flames. Save the Journey Togethers for last. Gloom. Nice. Another full art Gloom. It's 2 for 2 on these boosters. Wow, these boxes are kind of loaded, huh? Oh, and a Glimora EX. It's pretty cool pulling these two out of a... Sorry about that. My camera shut off for some reason. But this is from the Surging Sparks pack. See if we can get anything. Continue the luck that we had these past two. Swablu, Trapinch, Verude. Okay, nothing out of that one. Let's move on to the Paradox Rift. We got 2 Journey Togethers left and Lillie's tournament. Wimpod, Zubat, Golospod. Okay. 2 Journey Togethers left. Both with N on them, so no different pack arts. So we can pull something big out of these. Nice, the Salamence. This is crazy. This box is loaded. It's awesome. Okay, let's see if we can keep it up with this last pack too. Honestly, blown away. It's pretty good. Let's see if we can get some last pack magic on this. Pupitar, Iono, Metagross. Alright, still pretty awesome though for that. Iono's Bellibolt. It's nice Salamence. It's nice Gloom. Glora EX. Nice Sunflora. And then we got the 2 promos. But yeah, jeez. I say that box was worth it with these pools. Okay, let's move on to Lillie's premium collection. So this comes with a nice promo too. So got a nice promo, full art foil promo. You get this foil tool cards, so the pearls, card sleeves, deck box, a nice coin, a nice photo sticker, coin condition markers, tournament ready, damage dice, 6 booster packs, and then another code card. All that fits in this little box. But yeah, let's get to it. I like the packaging, pretty cool. Got the dice. Box. Oh, our boosters are in this box. That's pretty cool. Good way to use the packaging. So 1, 2 Journey Togethers, Surging Spark, Twilight Masquerade, Obsidians, and Paldea Evolved. ledger markers. Got the promo. It's a nice promo. Lillie's Clefairy. And a sticker. Oh, a coin. Oh, that's a nice big coin like that. Sticker and the sleeves. Nice collection. This is super cool. The promo card. You know, you get a lot more out of this box than the Iono's box that we just opened. And you know, for the guys who play the game, this is awesome, right? It's a tournament collection, so it's everything you need to start. Okay, let's get to the rips. Start with some Surging Sparks. See if we can get some pulls out of this like we did on the last one. Durant EX. Starting the first pack off right. Okay. Twilight Masquerade. Man, these premium collection boxes are loaded. I mean, I know it's all RNG and you know, can't really figure out unless they know somehow, but still, it's pretty good. Makes you want to keep buying these boxes. Some obsidian flames. Metric. Ride on EX. Nice. Okay. Some Paldea evolved. Quaxley. Evil. Okay, now to our two Journey Togethers. Since this is her box, we'll save her for the last pack. Buskin Golem. Quadsire EX. And these premium collections. Some pretty good hit rates. See if we can get some last pack magic with this one and do something huge. Maybe a Lillie's Clefairy or something. That'll just make this review even better. Let's go. Centret, Ombre, Hopstubble. That's the last card. Still not disappointed at all. Got some really solid promos out of these two boxes. you know. Got Lillie's Clefairy, Iono's Bellibolt. Two really nice cards. On top of that, we had some nice hits. Clodsire, Coridon, Durant, this nice Salamence, Gloom, Glimmora, Sunflora, and the other promo, the Tadpole. Yeah, that was a good review, I'd say. Good opening. Chances are always as good. I'll buy and open it again, you know. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about these two premium collections. Let me know if you guys ripped it. Let me know if you guys were as lucky as I was just now. You know, nothing huge. Wasn't the biggest chase cards, but I mean, it was a pretty good back openings, I'd say. But yeah, mahalo for everything, guys. Thank you for joining. I always appreciate it. You know, just getting started in my whole YouTube journey. So really appreciate the people who watch, people who like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna start doing some giveaways once we hit a little more subscribers and once I can figure out what's a good prize for you folks. But yep, appreciate it. Always appreciate it. Mahalo again. Like usual, mahalos, take care of yourselves, and aloha.